I bought every single interior carbon fiber accent I could find on Amazon for the C6 Corvette. Literally almost $400 of carbon fiber accent pieces from Amazon. I have boxes and boxes and boxes of stuff. Literally, quite literally, every single carbon fiber accent piece I could find. I don't mind the plain look of the Corvette interior. This is, in fact, the type of interior that I like. But we'll see what a couple of carbon fiber accents do for this thing. And I'm talking carbon fiber accents. We got accents for everything. We got air vent accents, we got door handle accents, we got door panel accents, button accents, all the accents. That is a lot of stick-on carbon fiber, but I don't want to hear any comments from people whose Corvettes look like this. Airbrush flames, a bunch of crazy chrome accents, pictures of your own car painted on the underside of your hood. That's a little extreme. Still loving the MGW short throw shifter with the Speed Culture shift knob too. Make sure you guys let me know if there's interested in these shift knobs, because yeah, they are sick. They fit better in the hand than the typical Hurst shift knob does. They are cheaper than the Hurst shift knobs, and they are made in the United States. You can't beat that. I want to open these up now and see what we're actually dealing with. I actually could not believe how many pieces there were. I don't mind the interior of this thing, but we're gonna go nuts with the carbon fiber. Big things come in small packages. Let's see what this is. Oh, this is a piece that I actually thought I might consider keeping. Pretty dope. This goes around the buttons. For up around the air vents in the center console. Holy. Door trim. I can't wait to see if the carbon fiber actually matches. Every piece is from a different seller or a different location, so they could be all different carbon fiber patterns for all I know. For the sun visors, oh my God. I'm not gonna open all of these up. I'm just gonna, on camera, that's kind of a waste of time. Whole stack. Look at all the carbon, holy. I'm gonna show you this piece too, because these are actually something I'd consider keeping. These go, in the door handle cups. It's actually kind of sick. Thank God all these are labeled. I would have no idea where they all go. This is the most carbon fiber I've ever seen in one place, I think. Literally almost $400 of carbon fiber accent pieces from Amazon. Are they labeled? No, they're not labeled. I can't read Chinese. Son of a bitch. I'm gonna have to be careful opening some of this stuff just in case I want to return it. I think most of it I'm not gonna want to keep, honestly, but let's see how this thing turns out. That actually fits pretty good. These are really thin, but nice and shiny. The finish is actually pretty decent. A couple little pieces of trash in some of these, but this one goes here. This is gonna be a lot of carbon. I don't even know if I can salvage this one to send back if I don't want it, because this is a lot of stickiness. For the driver's side, I had to think about this one for a little bit. I couldn't remember where it went, but now I remember. This one, this was a little rough. I don't know if I'd want to actually keep this. It's rough just right here. Probably something you'll never notice, but this is supposed to go right there. No way that's staying on there long term either. Does it look cool? I guess. I got a million more of these pieces to put on here. I'm gonna finish it up and then I'll show you the final product. This one over the gauges is like just terrible. It's too small to stick at all. I can't even figure out where some of these go. I did get a complete kit, so there are a couple of pieces that overlap or repeat, but this one I think It's supposed to go here. I already have a piece here for this, so I'm not using that. No idea what that actually is. They're not bad looking, but I mean, these are just like, they're little, you know, they're flimsy pieces of, I don't even know what you want to call it. So they got these rectangular pieces for the mirrors on your visors, but it'll never stick. First of all, it's this terrible plastic, which nothing sticks to anyway, but it has this contour for your, you know, where you lift it up at. So there's no way to get it nice and flat. But what I do hate is the label here for the airbags. I always think that is so ugly in a car. I wonder if I could just stick it on there like that and just cover those up. No way that's gonna stay up there. Okay, that is pure lunacy. And I still have a bunch of leftover pieces that I either couldn't figure out where they went or they're duplicates. Let's look at this final product. You'll have tons of the red wrapping. Guys ready? I'm gonna put the door cups in. I'll show you those in a little bit. I actually might like those, but ready? Here we go. Ah. Okay, we'll start with the door. What do you think? This piece I actually don't mind, nor do I mind this one. Not so bad. This is terrible. These big panel pieces, they really don't stick that well, even if you prep the surface. Warming them up helps a little bit, but I mean, I don't think I'd waste $20 or $25 for that or whatever the hell price that is. Oh, it's not even real carbon fiber. It's that hydro-dipped nonsense. Oh, look at these instructions. I love the instructions. Please cleaning surface with alcohol. Slowly weight the tape stretch. Pour the 70% alcohol over the cloth and wipe it with the cloth. Oh, that's mean. I'm not trying to make fun of anybody, but this is truly, look at this. This is not real carbon fiber. Was it supposed to be real? And we go into the gauge section. Oh, looks like we lost that piece. That's just trash. This one doesn't stick either. You can, again, warm it up, try to get it to stick in there, but it's terrible. I actually don't mind these. Maybe we'll keep those. Okay. Not bad. They're on the start button. Again, another one of those flat pieces that you have to try to stick to contour. Look at this. This is just a carbon fiber nightmare. Like the carbon fiber monster puked on your center console. They actually make this whole piece too. I don't know why I didn't get that. I totally missed it. Piece for the little ashtray, separate pieces to surround the seat warmer buttons, another piece to go there around the whatever the hell that is, the HVAC display, and then this separate piece for up here. That doesn't look too bad either, but I don't know why I would keep that up there, honestly. What do you guys think about that one? I think this is a two-piece thing. They make the stick-on one. I'm sure there's carbon fiber options that are actually decent quality that could go here, but you can get a flat piece here and then this another piece that goes up and around. But again, those come flat, and then you have to try to warm them up so they contour, bend nicely around each of these little curves, and then hope they stick long term. It's ridiculous. Passenger side. This is just too much. This is too much carbon fiber. I'm all for a couple of little pieces of carbon fiber for accents, but this is just a little bit too much. And on top of that, it's not even good quality, so it's just gross. This is what $350 of carbon fiber sticky pieces gets you. But I do want to put these in here, these little buckets, see what you guys think of these. I like all black. I don't really like to put carbon fiber accents on the car. I would have gotten a carbon fiber spoiler if I wanted to do that. But these little buckets, they actually look better than I thought they would. I'm not going to stick it in there all the way, but what do you think of that? Do we like that? Can you see it? See, I actually don't want to see it all that much. Let's do the passenger one. They actually fit pretty well in there, but do I like it? I don't know. Is that a piece worth sticking in here? Maybe it'll get a little bit of attention at Cars and Coffee. I don't know. Maybe we'll run it. I don't know. I'd hate to get all this stuff, put it all on, and then send it all back because it's all garbage. So I'd like to keep a couple of pieces. I'm not sure which pieces they'll be. I know which pieces that I would maybe even consider keeping on the interior of the C6 Corvette, but inevitably there will be some of you watching this video that have interest in some, if not all of them. So I will link them in the description below. Check them out. Individually, they're not all that expensive. So if you find a couple of pieces here or there, you know, you might spend 20, 30, 40 bucks. If you get all of them, it's going to be 350-ish. So you decide. I wanted to put them in. I wanted to tell you my thoughts. Some of them are cool. Some of them are complete trash. Let me know in the comments below. What do you think? Worth keeping some of the carbon fiber pieces in the C6?
Oh. What is this?
You like all the carbon fiber?
It looks like checkers.
How about the door? You like any of the pieces in the door at least?
Looks like snakeskin. I don't like it at all.
Oh, this is cool. You like these? You like this piece that doesn't stick?
It looks tacky as shit. This is my favorite piece, actually. I like that. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, it looks tacky. It looks tacky as hell.